Hey, what's going on? Wearing my ship shirt today. I'm working on my curls. Check it out. So I'm set to start WGU for cloud computing April 1st. Of course, I'm gonna be sharing, some of the stuff that I learned. But I haven't really been sharing anything lately. Some because I'm just finishing up coursework right now. I'm at UO People, trying to finish up my associates in computer science. Uh, what I could recommend, honestly, if you want to get into computing, cloud computing, IT, is everyone is going for certifications. And just do that, honestly. A plus, Network plus, Server plus, and then from there you can choose some sort of specialty, whether you're gonna do data or cloud or cybersecurity. You can go that route. That's gonna be the cheapest route. If you want to go to WGU, it's like $4,000 for 6 months, and then you can do as many courses as you possibly can handle. I'm gonna try to knock out at least one course per week, so I can finish my bachelor's in the 6 month period that I'm given. I mean, it's doable. I'm already going to be transferring credits from my associates, so it's highly doable. Another thing that I'm doing is I'm doing some sustainable farming, which I highly recommend. All you need to do is just get some seeds. My green onions over here, I bought them from the store. I just planted them. These, you get them from Home Depot. I just put a rebar through them. I stacked them up, put a rebar through them, put some wood down the middle, and then the soil. I didn't buy a pre-made soil. It's my wife over there. I didn't buy. Oh, you want to get on camera? I usually don't put you on camera because he ate it. The soil is a mix. So I did 1 bag of Vigoro Perlite, and this just improves the aeration of the soil. I did this brand, Earthgrow Organic Humus and Manure. I won't say hummus, but I think it's pronounced differently, humus. I don't know. And all that really is whenever you get mulch or like shit that you're mulching, and it turns back into soil. That's what humus or hummus, whatever. That's what that is. And then I got this brand of topsoil. So I only did 1 bag of hummus organic manure shit, this Perlite, per bed here, and this is about 5 inches deep. I did put a lot of, see that one? I put a lot of sticks and shit that I had, my grass clippings, some other compost, in the bottom just to fill it up. I'm gonna get closer. But this straight up looks like trash, and in a sense it is. See, I got some greens growing, but I got shit in here like eggshells. I got Coca-Cola can. Once in a while, some mushrooms will pop up right there, but they're just grass clippings, branches, and our organic shit like banana peels and lettuce, just shit, organic shit. And then I just have these little planters here. I got all these free pecan wood, so I chopped down this tree. But anyway, so I got some Carolina Reapers there, got some garlic right there growing, carrots. These are called dragon's tongue beans. But yeah, so that's what I do in my spare time. Um, I'm at an entry level job in IT doing network support, network specialist. And from what I learned is that every job is help desk. Everybody's kind of telling you stay away from help desk or whatever. But regardless of what your title is, you could be a cloud engineer. But it's technically a help desk role because internal employees will call you and they'll ask you shit. If you're not dealing, face to face with a customer, then what are you doing? It makes no sense to me. So from the jobs that I've seen, tier 1 to tier 2 to tier 3, network specialist, NOC, SOC, DevOps, cloud computing, cloud engineer, sysadmin. All these jobs, they're kind of similar, but they kind of tackle the problem differently. But they're all like either work from home or you go into an office, but you're sitting in front of a computer, you answer calls, you answer emails. So if you're not trying to be on the phone, talk to people, I don't know what you're gonna do. Because even engineers, like coders, how you gonna know? How you gonna know what to do? Answer emails, answer phone calls, and jobs nowadays are not just strictly emails. It's email, chat, Teams, phone calls. So, but with that out of the way, computer science ain't no joke. It's taking me a while. Right now, I just finished up. I'm gonna sit down right here on my poop. I just finished up a course, a short course on Java. Well, not Java, JavaScript. Java and JavaScript are completely different, but it's a lot of fun once you learn, how to do it. You can go to codeacademy.com. It's free. You create yourself an account. It's kind of like W3 Schools, and you just learn for free. So that's what I'm doing. I'm doing W3 Schools, Code Academy, Udemy, and Coursera, on top of going to U of People. And then after I do that, I'll be at WGU. So I'm basically adding WGU. But I'm doing it like this. It might sound like course heavy, very intense. I'm doing it this way simply because this is my second career. And I just feel that I need to catch up. I don't know if that even makes sense. I just want to make the amount of money that I used to make, when I was at the culinary art field. So in order for me to do that, I'm going to need a bachelor's. Because I had, 16 years of culinary arts experience. But now, all in all, because before I did culinary arts, I did tech support. So if you add it all together, I have 5 years experience, but because it's been such a long time, it's kind of restarting. So let's just say I have 1 year experience. So with 1 year experience, what do you really make? But to get some experience, just start applying for IT support, tech support. Go to Indeed and type in customer service /IT or customer service IT. Without the slash, just variations of it. I've noticed a lot of IT jobs are customer service, and a lot of customer service jobs are IT. Or go into places that offer only customer service. Get your phone handling experience on, because phone handling is not just answering phones. You have to change your voice. You're an actor. And that's the lesson that I'm still actually learning now. So I have issues with showing empathy, through my voice, like right now, like face to face. Oh, I'm really sorry. You can see my facial expressions, but over the phone, oh, I'm really sorry. You see what I mean? It makes no sense. It's like I almost sound sarcastic just because I covered the phone. You didn't see me. So it's a lot of voice acting. There's actually a lot of YouTube videos on that. Just search for voice acting or voice coaching. Voice coaching for call center or voice coaching for IT. Okay, I did that last night, and I got a lot of really, really good videos. So I highly recommend you do that. So yeah, get started, start doing it. It's gonna be a while. You doing the help desk 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. It's gonna seem like an eternity, but keep at it, and you'll move up, because the next level up from what I'm doing is NOC. That's network operations, and they make a decent amount. You could do network operations or sysadmin, some sort of IT administrator, and that's one level up, but you'll need at least 1 year experience, but preferably 2. But what the employers are looking for are 2 years of help desk IT support experience plus a bachelor's, along with whatever the job is. So VMware, cloud. Most likely you're not going to get in cloud, because all these layoffs, all these people with like 50 degrees and 100 certificates, they're the ones applying for these jobs. So, but if you get it, good for you, good luck. But yeah, that's my little spiel for the day. I do gardening on the side. Well, not on the side, for fun, when I'm not learning. So if you want to learn how to garden, where to get the seeds from, what to do, what to grow, just hit me up.